Fam, what's good? So, I just want to say thank you guys for coming in to support me and watching the channel, watching the TuPar strategy, the TuPar BBKOF strategy, and the TuReject concept. I use all three in this video. Today's trade was based off of me trading, and I'm looking back because I'm still trading. Today's trade was based off of the 1 hour time frame, where I noticed there were bottom tweezers, right? Now, a bottom tweezer usually happens after a strong downtrend, right? And then you get some type of bullish setup, and then you go for your buy. Well, I entered in off of the 1 hour time frame when I really should have went down to the 1 minute or the 5 minute time frame. So don't make that mistake. I mean, you can, but just expect the drawdown that comes with it. So heads up on that. But I think you would really enjoy this video to see the psychology behind my thought process, entering the trade, staying in the trade, and all of the above. Please subscribe, like, comment, share, get involved. If you have any questions, please let me know. In the video, I said something about functional trader regarding news. I meant fundamental trading, so you'll see it. But tune in, stay for the whole video. Video is kind of long, but it's worth it. All right, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. Ciao. Man, check this out. Listen, I've been trading off of the smaller time frames all day, but let me show you something. You tell me what it is that you see on this screen right here. Don't worry, I got you. Tweezer bottoms, okay? And the way that I got my bottom window set up down here, price came down, the moving averages came down and touched this area right here. When it does that, I know it's getting ready to flop around and go back up. Excuse me. And also, everybody knows that I trade the TuReject concept, right? Check this out right here. Price is getting ready to go over this rejected level, and it's going to head up. Now, I put in my buy a little early, and I could have took a little bit of profit, but I was looking for a little bit more, so it kind of been going up and down in this zone here, which is fine, right? I know what's up. I know what's happening. You know what I'm saying? As you can see, I have a trend line set right here. And honestly, I've been eating in between these levels right here all day. This is one account, but I was on another account earlier. So now pretty much I'm just waiting for the price to come right back up there and touch the top of that, or the bottom of that trend line. And it's going to happen. How do I know it's going to happen? Because my moving averages down here came through, touched my 53 level, and then it's going to flip back around for a little bit. Enough to put me in profit. So one thing to be cognizant about is our parabolic SARs up there, but we're not worried about that. We kind of ate off of that earlier when price was dropping here. So if you want further details about this TuReject concept, my TuPar strategy, or my TuPar BBKOF strategy, this is a combination of all three, to be honest with you. All three. You got your TuPar because I have the 5, the 2 15s, exponential and simple moving averages on the chart, the 50 and the 125, right? So that's part of the TuPar strategy. The windows stay the same at the very bottom. This stuff right here stays the same. Well, for the BBKOF, the only thing that I added was the 9 EMA, which is the blue line here. The 9 EMA and the Bollinger Band. Okay, that is the only difference. The reason why I added it, because I was doing fine with the TuPar strategy, but one thing that I was missing that I'm used to identifying very quickly is my TuPars touching my center Bollinger Band. I love that on the TuPar BBKOF strategy because it kind of helps me with my exits. You know what I'm saying? My exit points. I can stay in trades longer. I can feel more confident about that, right? And if you want more details, I have videos talking about the TuPar BBKOF, so go check that out. So right here, we're not worried about that. All right. Why? because it's here already and it's going to flip around. All right. And it's going to go back up and put me in profit just enough. Now, another thing that you can do, you can always scroll through your time frames and to see if you got stuff that's telling you a story that you need, that's painting a picture for you. Now, we already know we got the bottom tweezers on the 1 hour time frame. What do we have on this 30-minute time frame? This is what I do. I scroll from time frame to time frame to see if I can get confluences from each time frame, right? 30-minute time frame, what do I see? A bunch of rejection candles here. Okay? The moving averages down here are pretty much exhausted and they're ready to turn around, at least to get me in profit a little bit. Let's look at the 15. Okay, 15 is something that I do. All right, so I see the stochastic coming here. It's gonna flip around and go. More rejection here. Okay. Oh, what else do I see? This is the 15 minutes, so I can trust these a little bit. They'll spread apart, so I know this little uptrend may not last long, but it'll last long enough to give me what I'm looking for, right? So as I was stating, the TuPar BBKOF would have the parabolic SARs getting very close to the center Bollinger Band, which is where? All the way up here. That's the green one, guys. So this right here will creep up, creep closer, and that's when I know that this little bitty uptrend that I see right here is over. But for now, we're just waiting patiently until we go higher. Excuse me. Let's see, what can we grab from the 5-minute time frame? How about the fact that the stochastic is getting ready to come up here, go to that 53, which is really gonna end up giving me the profit that I need. Okay, this is how I scroll through time frames. Okay, 1-minute time frame. Stochastic getting ready to go up. My RSI, which is black here for the 14 period, is heading up. All right, so now I'm going back to the 1-minute time frame. Now I'm looking at this here. Like, again, we have our tweezers, right? We got a little rejection there, and we were up above this rejected level. As you can see, I kind of looked to the left, put in my trade, bam, waited it out. Okay, so I will be back once I am in profit. I know that I will be in profit very soon. Okay, 5-minute time frame. The moving averages are getting ready to come close to the center Bollinger Band. That's kind of what I was talking about earlier, letting me know that that downtrend here will be over temporarily. Okay, so it's gonna put me in profit. I will be back. Look at the time. So I had to step back in. Something I want to talk about really quick. So right now I'm suffering a little bit on the drawdown side, which is okay, right? It's okay. One thing I want you to pay attention to is the time. We're getting close to the top of the hour. So I really feel that this candle on the 5-minute time frame will end up becoming bullish, right? We're sitting here on the lip of the Bollinger Band. It could start off bearish, but it's definitely going to turn bullish somewhere in this zone here, and will end up putting me back in profit. That is how I foresee that playing out. I'm looking to my left, still got a lot of rejection candle there. Typically, if you got about 3 of them, you can count it. It's money. So at this point, we still wait. We got 5 minutes until the top of the hour. We're going to see what happens. I mean, it could very well come down here and tap this and then come back around. But that's what we're looking forward to do. Alrighty. All right. Now, y'all know I had to come back real quick and show you. As I stated, that candle will be bullish. So right now, we're just going to play around in this zone like I've been saying. Trying to find fillers to talk about right now until I get back in profit. But it's happening. You know what I'm saying? Just be patient. You know, be patient. That's one thing we got to learn when trading. Don't be scared. Know what you know. And how do you know what you know? Because you've been in practice for way too long studying these charts. You know what I'm saying? I'm not worried about that. It's supposed to do that. It's supposed to create fear in you so you can hop out of these trades prematurely. But again, I'm standing by and I will be back. All right? This right here is nothing but a fluke. We got 3 minutes to the top of the hour. Be back. All right, and we're back. We have about 45 seconds before top of the hour, 20 seconds before the top of the 30 seconds before the top of the hour. We're waiting to see. Okay, this is that same candle that I said would become bullish. We're waiting to see what's going to happen with it. Typically at the top of the hour, there's big moves. If not at the top of the hour, every 5-minute increments, you will notice some type of momentum shift. So, pay attention to those little things like that. All right, 10 seconds. And it may give me a push down to the 35324 line and then kick back around if it does all of that. Or it will linger around the 35348 level. Now we just wait. The whole purpose of this video is to show you psychology, to tell you to relax. Let it do what it's going to do. And if you've done your analysis and you know that it's coming back to you, just chill. So that's where I'm at right now. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'll pause it, and if it does drop down to the 35324 area, so be it. But it will turn back around. Or it may just sit here and linger on this, but I highly doubt it. It's probably going to drop. Alrighty, I'll be back. Alright, I'm back, and I figured I would come back because this is what I see on the 1 minute, which is something I call clockwork. Okay, bam. It's 4 minutes and 43 seconds on the clock. I'm sorry, disregard. I thought I was on the 5-minute time frame. Basically, we got 10 seconds until it's the 5-minute increment of 11:05 at this time. Okay, so new candle is about to be formed on the 5-minute time frame. Now, will it be bullish or would it be bearish? I hate when that happens. This joint right here. We ain't worried. What I can do is log in. Let me see if I have it up. Log in into the account so I can close out the trade if I do get in profit. Because this sucks being on the cell phone. Excuse me. It sucks being on the cell phone when you're potentially in profit, but you get screwed because circle of death happens. At that point, you don't know where you're sitting with the trade, whether it's good, whether it's bad, and you're just hoping for the best. Well, I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. And it's not a bad idea to have more than one screen up for situations like this so you can close out of a trade if one device is acting up. I recommend it, actually. It's just that for the most part, so this is a mobile strategy, guys. I don't typically have the time to be sitting in front of a computer trading. I don't. So because I don't, I need to understand what's going on my mobile phone. You know what I'm saying? And I hate the little circle of death, but there's just something that you just got to deal with. Set your take profit areas, and that's the best you can do. Okay, so back to the 5-minute time frame. Now, the candle that I said was going to be bullish isn't bullish. However, it's like a pin bar, which is fine. The one after it, that's bullish. Overall, we're trying to get to a bullish behavior right now so I can get in profit. Now, what I want you to pay attention to is, as I stated before, those parabolic SARs are very important to the TuPar strategy and the TuPar BBKOF strategy. Even the TuReject, right? But TuReject concept. The parabolic SARs right now, they are lingering right up on that center Bollinger Band. You see that? It's the green one. Okay? The green one right here. And because that is happening, I understand and know that that's may not be a full-blown reversal, but it's a pullback of some sort coming soon. Okay? Now, I like the way that looks on a 1 hour time frame. Let's look at the 30. Okay, the candle's looking pretty good. 15. Everything's looking pretty spiffy. 5-minute time frame. Looking pretty good. Yes, sir. Need those to come up here and touch this 53 level right here. As we stated, we love trading at the top of the hour. Things happen, things move. Momentum shakes up at the top of the hour. It's just a matter of which way are we going? And it was a clear indication to me that this would be exhausted pretty soon. It was going to get close to the center Bollinger Band. Okay? So now is a moment of waiting it out. All right, we almost at 11:10. We just talked about that. All the 5-minute increments. That's very important. Okay, so as you can see on this 30-minute time frame, had I, was wanting to put in a trade, I would have put one in right after it went above that level. However, I already have one trade in. Typically, for the most part, I only do one trade at a time because anything can happen in the markets and it goes against you. So I do myself a favor. Sorry. And I think that I'm smarter than what's on the charts or what they're bringing, because they will make a fool out of you really quick. So, yeah. All right. We're just waiting. We got 5 seconds. This black hard line down here, the big thick black line, that is my RSI with the period of 14. Okay, so I'm really respecting the fact that that's headed up. I'm really respecting the fact that my stochastic is headed up. Alright, moving from level to level to level. Let's go. Let's go ahead and scroll down the time frames. We're on the 30. Okay. Stochastic getting ready to flip around. RSI already headed up. Yep. 5 minute. Another bullish candle. We like that. Parabolic SAR touching the center, meaning that another confirmation, we're going higher. Okay. We're liking the way all of this stuff is looking. Yeah. Definitely loving that. But we got a little ways to go. But that's all right. We'll get there. You may say, hey, look, these are getting close to this. It is. But it's cool. It's okay, right? That's not the only thing that I'm paying attention to. Look at all of your moving averages. Everything is starting to go upwards. Now, what could happen here, maybe, is a pullback and then go up. But that's when you look to your higher time frames to see what's going on, and you go, not really. I think it's gonna just continue to head up. But anything is possible, right? When we are looking at trends, and I have a video on trends, it kind of tells you what to look for with the 5 EMA riding behind the price. Excuse me, the price just sticking real close to the outer Bollinger Band, the green line. That kind of shows me that we're not trying to turn around just yet. We've got a little rejection going on right there. There may be some type of pullback rejection, but ultimately we're heading north, guys. Heading north. All right, today was a pretty good day, huh? Would you say? We just needed to stay that way, because very quickly it can go south. I mean, I'm in the negatives right now. I'm trying to keep my little 211,000 grabs right here. So, all right, let's get back to the charts. Let's go. Another thing that you pay attention to when you're looking for reversals. I mean, look at the candle. It was big, smaller, pin bar, reverse. All right? Big black candles start to get smaller, more rejection, pin bar, reverse. Big pin bar, rejection, pin bar, a rejection, reverse. Pay attention to those little things right like that. Okay. Here's the reversal. Well, not a reverse, a pullback is what I would like to call it. Don't know how far it's going to pull back. But it's just doing what it's supposed to do. Now, all of that, and we're almost close to 11:15 already. So, we're looking for another momentum push. You just want to get in profit. All right, now let me give you another tip. Let me see if I can find a great example. Yeah, right here. What do you see? That is the RSI sitting underneath the 53 level. What do you see up here during that time frame? Bam. To bam. What was that? A downtrend. Now, honestly, I should have took my little profit over here when I got in profit. But I'm a little bit greedy sometimes, and I have to deal with the drawdown that comes with it whenever I do that. So, with that being said, pay attention to the RSI when you have the period of 14. Pay attention to it. Look where it's placed. Is it sitting above or underneath that 50-53 level in your bottom window? If it ends up riding above it, squiggling, you're most likely in an uptrend. If it's beneath it, most likely in a downtrend. Pay attention to everything in your chart, not just one or two things, everything. Okay, another thing, there's so many things that I can grab from this. Like, there's so much information on this chart, it's crazy. It just depends on what you choose to look at today. Right now, I could be looking at the fact that my Bollinger Bands are kind of like in a squeeze a little bit. Not a true squeeze, meaning that there's still some momentum there. But, for instance, we got all these big bulges. Look how big the candles are. Now that this has narrowed out a little bit, the candles are smaller. If it ever gets to a point to where this lip opens up, it's gonna expand and go crazy. If it ends up coming down, it's gonna go crazy with momentum. All right, 11:17. Look at the time. This is kind of what I was talking about. It's narrow, and then the Bollinger Band opened up. The candles got bigger. Had a nice low push. All right. Where are we? 30-minute time frame. We're working it. We'll get there. Just look at the bottom window. See what's going on down there. Oh, it's gonna play with you now. But are you strong enough to handle it? Or will you hop out? I'm not telling you to stay in it at all times. I'm telling you to make educated decisions. That's what I'm telling you to do. Now, if you look at patterns, price utterly disrespected the outer Bollinger Band. Look over here. Utterly disrespected it. When that happened, what happened? Price pulled back. Right? If you're on a 1 hour time frame, you gotta look at every time frame as their own deal. You know, their own patterns. Pull back. Once it got disrespected, that's just what happens. So we're almost at 11:20. I'll be back. Okay, so while we wait, something I want to say, like, okay, yeah, I could have took profit, a little bit of profit about there. I wanted more. And what's crazy is I'll probably get out round about there when I get a profit. But anywho, the point that I'm trying to make is your entries can be better. This was very much, I'm not going to say anticipated, but I knew it was a very, very big possibility, huge possibility that I could end up with some sort of drawdown. Not really bad, but I'm still in drawdown, right? Now, why am I in drawdown the way that I am? Because clearly, when I look at this 5-minute time frame, this would be against my rules, 100%. Let me tell you why. I have parabolic SARs on the top of price. I have my 50 and my 125 moving averages pointing south. Yet, I took a buy. I have jambalaya of moving averages. I took a buy. Actually, I think when I took a buy, maybe I was okay. I don't know. That's the thing. I don't know because I did not jump down to the 5-minute time frame. I kind of took that buy based off of my higher time frame, which was it would have been fine had I not been greedy. I know I got a greedy personality, so why do that? Guys, do not do that. Okay? Although you see the setup on the 1 hour, please hop on down to the 5-minute or the 1 minute and get in on the best entry possible. Meaning that if I was going to be looking for a buy, this is not the time for a buy. This is not the time for a buy. I could have did one up in here somewhere. Probably here I would have did one. Right? And then got out about there before the rejected level. But just whenever you make, I'm not going to say a bad call because hopping in from off the 1 hour time frame, okay, cool. I know I'm going to get in profit. But it's like, how much drawdown are you willing to deal with? How much do you want to deal with? Most people don't really want to deal with a lot of drawdown, right? So I would say, although you may see your setup on a 1 hour time frame, if you're going to go for a buy, wait and go down to a 5-minute time frame. If you still trying to scalp, right? It don't make sense to hop in on a higher time frame when you're a scalper and trying to get in for like 2 pips, 2 to 5, 5 to 10 pips. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and hop all the way down. But I'm not gonna lie, it's been working out for me all day because I've been trading with the TuReject concept, which is level to level. You know, price is gonna fluctuate in between here as it was doing here, and all I did was scalp, either a sell or a buy. Okay, but if I don't want to wait all day, go ahead and just drop it down to the lower time frame. And if you want to do a buy and you want to play in between this zone and you're thinking it's a bullish moment, go ahead and look for the bullish pattern on the 5-minute time frame or the 1. And also make sure that your strategy presents the right setup for you to take that trade, and be cognizant of the time. So that's my little pointers. If I had to give anything today, that's what I got to say about that. Anywho, back up to the 1 hour time frame. We're still getting super close there. So this little turnaround shift is coming. Typically at the 30-minute and that top of the hour, the 45-minute, price go crazy. So we're gonna see how crazy price can go. Okay, here we go. It's 11:30. 5-minute increments. What are you gonna do, price? You gonna go crazy? You gonna go crazy in a good way, or do we have to wait for top of the hour? Right? What am I seeing right here? W. Sometimes it don't want to do anything other than that W, and it just does its pullback, then take off. But if you got a strong low W, it'd be like that. Well, unfortunately for us, we didn't get that. Or unfortunately for me, we got it back to the pullback. Now I expect for it to take off. It's still 11:30. All right, 11:31. Now what you gonna do? I'm telling y'all, pay attention to the time. Set those trend lines as you go. What are your expectations? All right. All right, how long now? We at 31 minutes. Y'all, I gotta pause this. I'll be back. All right, I'm back briefly. I don't know how long I'm gonna be here. Hopefully it takes off this time and puts us back in profit, or put me back in profit rather. What I will say is TuReject concept, right? Here we go. We got a rejection level there. Price can play and do what they want to do all day right there, but eventually I'll be looking for a buy. If I was to do a trade, I would be looking for a buy. Headed up, not quite yet. I would have to wait until I get 2 merged parabolic SARs, something that looks similar to this in the very beginning stages. Then I'll take that buy. That is the TuReject concept. I know you guys keep hearing me mention it, but I don't go into details. And the reason why I don't is because I have other videos for that. But yeah, so basically price have went past that rejected level. Expect your pullback, which it just did, and then should shoot up higher. How much higher? It can go to any of these rejected levels. Do a pullback, go, whatever have you. So it's 11:45, almost top of the hour, 15 minutes shy of that. But again, we at that 5-minute increment, and that's where we're seeing all of this momentum right now. We're loving it. Okay. Oh, here you go. Excuse me. That's looking pretty good, but we know to expect a pullback and then a go, like a touch and go type deal. I mean, because one thing we got to be cognizant of as well is the moving averages. We want those to be pointing up, just like we got those parabolic saws kind of merged. We want those moving averages to be pointed up. Okay? Horrible pictures, but you get the point. Be back. It's 12 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock. I've been in this trade for quite a minute. But it's all right. It's all right. Teachable lessons here being made. Yeah. We're waiting to get back in profit. Was in a buy. It is in a buy. And trying to get out of this buy in profit without closing out in the negatives. As you can tell, nope, did not use a stop loss. I kind of do my stop losses based on passing certain rejected levels mentally. I know for myself what number in my head that I don't want to see, and if I do see it, I might close out in the negatives based off of where I think price will be going long term. Okay, when I say long term, 4 hour, daily, that type of deal. Okay? But no need to bring the devil into this, okay? Because we're just trying to get in profit. And power is in the tongue. And we're going north. AKA profit. Can't be scared, y'all, when y'all see that the negatives. As long as you're cool with taking whatever losses or cool with staying in whatever trade with X amount of negative amount of money, then that's what matters. But you should already know this before you get in. What's a worst case scenario situation? If you were to be put in that situation, are you okay with going with whatever number? Know what that number is. You know what I'm saying? But don't just think of that number. Think of it based on the 4 hour daily time frame, high time frame. Okay, it's not, price is not there yet, but we know eventually it's going to get there. Okay, this is the way the time frames work. I was doing this trade based off of a 1 hour time frame. However, when I went to the lower time frames or just looking at the price in general or the amount of money, I was in the negatives. You know what I'm saying? But that's okay. I'm trading off of 1 hour. Yeah, I probably have to wait an hour or so before I can get to where I need to be. And if that's the case, then so be it. I hold trades. I don't have a problem with them. If I end up being a day trader today, fine. If I end up being a swing trader, fine. Ultimately, I'm a scalper. But if I must hold a trade, as long as I'm okay with the negative amount of drawdown that I'm dealing with, then it is what it is. Nobody can tell you what it should be, right? A lot of people say, hey, are you a functional trader at all? I'm not. I do not check the news. Maybe I should. But I don't, because typically the trades go in my favor whenever news does happen. Is there any news right now? I don't know. Maybe it is. But I tell you one thing I do know this morning when I was trading, the price had a freaking hard sell. Thank God it was in my favor. But not everybody's so blessed. But that's because I was already going for a sell anyways, based off of my analysis, right? Just like this right here. It's 12. Look how much price has shot up. It's going towards my favor. I feel like when news happen, price is going to go where it's supposed to go anyways. It's just that, are you on the right end of the scale at that time? You know what I'm saying? Have you done the proper analysis? And I think price will end up going that way. Turned out today was NFP. Maybe there's something else going on. Don't know. But I don't typically pay attention to it. So is it possible to just be a pure D technical trader and technical trader analyst, and that be it? No news, watching or nothing like that, and be successful? Yes, it's possible. It's possible. So don't let nobody deter you. If you don't get the functional, fundamental portion of checking news and all that stuff, Don't worry about it. I'm doing all right, and I haven't checked any news. You can do it too. I would just say watch your lot sizes, have proper risk management, and you'll be fine. All right. So it's almost 12:05. When 12 o'clock hit, price went crazy, as I knew it would, right? And it's not done. It's definitely not done. We're still headed up. Granted, we'll have pullbacks, but ultimately we're going up, guys. All right. TuReject concept. Look, just past one level. I have another one right there. So that would have been my take profit if I would have got in there. But I'm already in the trade, so I don't do no more than one at a time for the most part. Sometimes I will act up and do more than one, but I don't recommend it really. Especially if you're trading for a prop firm and you got to watch a drawdown. Don't do that. And that's what I'm doing actually. I am trading for a prop firm. Oh, another thing to be watchful of. Be watchful of the lot sizes when you put in trades. I have been caught up. I have different accounts that I'm trading, and the contract sizes are different, meaning that I can put in bigger lot sizes and still do run about the same type of numbers here. Excuse me. But on this particular, with this broker, that would screw me up if I was using a 9 over here. You know what I'm saying? Like, I've been unblew the account. So, and one thing I noticed about trading on your phone, I don't think it's the same on desktop. But if you put in for a trade, it will sometimes go towards another account that you're trading and use that lot size. That has happened to me today. Look at that. I was working on something else, came over here, thought I switched it over to one, and I did. But it jumped back to that. Okay, so what I did to be careful, I put in these small trades just to make sure that it wasn't going to throw me in a 9. So yeah, don't get caught up like I did, guys. Do not get caught up. For me, thank God, thank God, wasn't much drawdown, and I ended up in profit. The price was moving really, really quick, so I just so happened to close out and profit. Thank God. Anywho, we're almost back to where we need to be. Okay? We just passed a rejected level. Do you guys see that? TuReject concept, baby. This is the 5-minute time frame. We know those are coming up here. Alright? Probably going to do some form of a pullback and then head up north. But that's where we're going. Look at the time. Alright, I would say probably at 10, 12:10, price gonna go crazy. Or 15. 15 is when it usually goes crazy. Alright. Alright, look at what we have, guys. This would have been a perfect buy. This is when I would have got in. If I didn't have a trade in right now, I would have saw my merged parabolic SARs. Price would have shot up beyond this rejected level. I would have took me a quick scalp buy, and then I would have waited a little bit for that price to probably pull back to that rejected line that I just marked, and then go for the next buy. And then you can go for any of these rejected levels as your take P, take profit. Yes sir. Now if I have a video on trend trading, but if I wanted to watch it from, because it's all in how you look at the charts, guys. If I wanted to watch it from the lower time frames, the 1 minute, I do have a video on trend trading, and as you can tell, price just sitting, hugging on that Bollinger Band, and that 5 EMA was just sitting behind it. Once that 5 EMA starts to tilt in a little bit, we know we're coming for a pullback and then head it up. But you want to be cognizant of the 5 and 15 and 1 hour and 1H time frame, because you could be sitting up there thinking that you're going to do a pullback when price is really not coming back to where you thought it was going to come just yet. It's going to continue to head up. Okay, so that's another story for another day. Like I said, I got a video on that. You could check that out. And yeah, So we're almost in profit, folks. Now, on the 5-minute time frame, we're passing over the 50 moving average, which is blue. I'm happy about this. We're not close to the center Bollinger Band. I'm feeling pretty confident about staying in it. Although we may do some type of pullback to come back here and then take off, or maybe here, then take off, or it just may go. I doubt it. It always does its pullbacks. So I have the ATR on here. Showing me that momentum is dropping a little bit. That can very well shoot and turn right back around and go north. Showing me that price is just going to take off north still. I mean, look at all of these. They're super straight. They don't look like they want to turn around anytime soon. And for all the people that just trade strictly KOF back in the day, you would have been screwed. Because we were taught to... Oh yeah, let me go in and eat this profit, baby. Hold on. I also got to go to my computer because I got some other trades on other accounts going right now. And I need to close those out. So yeah, let me log in. Oh yeah, looking pretty good. Now, how long do I want to stay in this? Do I want to be greedy and stay in there for a little profit? Let me see. How greedy can I be? I could be a little bit greedy. It's 15. This is something else I would do right here. What did you just do? Marking the trend line. Listen, these type of things help me with take profits. Why I want to stay in there and be greedy? Cause I am. I am gonna stay in there a little bit longer, baby, because I'm confident. All right. Now, what I can do is take my little profit and then get back in for another buy. That's what I can do. Or I can ride it out to this trend line because I know it's going. Don't be like me, y'all. Take your profit and keep it moving. You know what? Man, I can't do it. I can't do it. Give me that bread. Go back to 15. Alright, take it on the computer for one trade. Alright. Y'all know I want to put in another buy right now. And that's how people get caught up. Don't do it. Just wait your little turn and hush up. Come on, take off. I need you to go hard. Ooh. This right here, my baby. I want that to at least go to that center line before I hop out. That part. Let's go. There we go. That's what we want to see. Now let's go to the 15. We're close. Almost. Almost. Come on, I need a hard, aggressive push. It's almost 12:15. Be cognizant of the time. I want it. Let's go. Look at that 5 EMA. It's still kind of close. All right. You know what? I might take it. Come on, give it to me. And then put in another buy whenever it pulls back. Okay? That's what I'm gonna do. How do I know it's gonna pull back? Look at this 5 EMA starting to get wide. We ain't done going up now, but we just got a slight hesitation there. Ooh, I did not appreciate that. Give it to me. I'm greedy. 353, no 354, 10. Don't matter. Come on. Alright, took my other trade out. Y'all stop playing with me. Give me that little last push now. Y'all know I'm greedy. KOFs. Don't lose it here. Trying to sell back. Look at that. Are we close to that center Bollinger Band? Almost, but not quite yet. Okay. Take a little profit and run now. So put in your little buys and wait for your profit, then run. Don't sell it. Give me a little push, because I'm trying to get here. Trying to get here. All right, it's about time. Give me a little, yep, give it to me. Give it to me. Lord, I pray, please take away this greediness I have, baby. I cannot help it. What is wrong with me? One more push. Come on. Yep. One more push. Nah, give me the push, man. I know I got some haters on this line right now. She should have took the trade. Close her out in the negative. Nope. We going up, baby. Let's go. KOFers, don't get caught up, baby. No, don't get caught up. Let's go. Give me that push. I'm almost satisfied. Not quite. Almost. What, you gonna give it to me at 12:20 or what? I know we're not done. Can't be. This is when they take people money right here. Oh, I'm gonna sell. It's time to sell. They're gonna do a pullback. Not quite. Not yet. Gotta know that. Believe that. We're going here. Okay. Oops. Come on. Let's go. Give me a push. There you go. There you go. Come on. Make him out of a liar. There we go. Stop playing. Almost 12:20. Let's go. One last push. Let's go. Who rocking with the kid? Who rocking with the kid? Let's go. Stop playing. Let's go. Let me get about 500 out of it. Let's do it big. Come on. Don't give up on the kid. Parabolic SARS. Y'all ain't touched that center Bollinger Band now. You're not done. So let's go. Come on now. Ooh. Ooh. See, you got to go ahead and take that, because what'll happen is that thing will go ahead and creep to that center line right there, and before you know it done skipped and you done missed the whole closeout. But I'm a little bit aggressive, so you dig? The kid is staying in it. Come on, give me the push. Y'all, I know people think I'm crazy. Let me get about 500 out of you. Come on. Don't be greedy. Don't be well. I'm talk about calling the pot. What they say? Call the pot black. Call the kettle black or something like that. Whatever they say. Give it to me. No, we're not done. I want it. Let's go. Come on. Nope, I feel cheated. Give it to me. You know what? Y'all probably saying, well, you know what? If you would have took that 266 and the other 266, you would have your 500. I know, be quiet. I would have more, actually. But it's cool. God is working on me with this greed. Do not have greed, because you're not going to win at the end of the day, long term. So, get your money and keep it moving. But for right now, I'm gonna stand by, and I'm gonna go for this here. Oh no, they didn't. No, they didn't. Listen, guys, when you start to see that darn parabolic SAR, take them serious. But I know I'm gonna get me a little profit. Don't be like me. Take your profit and walk away. I like to entertain too, so hey. You dig? And that's another reason why we like dual parabolic SARs, not just one. Cause that's a buttload of crap right there. That ain't telling you nothing. Now if I had two of them bad boys, whew. But honestly, this 53, take your profit and walk away. So if I'll go ahead and take the bad boy. Or did I lie? Probably. Come on, guys. Help the kid out, man. Okay, I like how the 5 is still sitting on top of that 9. Y'all see that? The 5 has not crossed underneath that 9. And I got this right here. Come on, give me the push. Don't make me out of a liar. Give me the... Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Man, give me a push. Nobody's trying to hear all that. Give me 260 something, man. Did I lie? I deserve to have that taken from me. I'm bad. How many of y'all bad with me? Give me another push. Alright, I'll take it. Lord have mercy. Lord, work on me. I couldn't do it, y'all. I swear to God, I couldn't do it. You know why I couldn't do it? Because I know it's going for the push. I'm trying to make a point. Why do I do this to myself? I'm trying to make a point. Come on, baby. I'm still looking for that push. Don't be greedy like the kid, y'all. Nah, screw it. I'm holding on. Look at the time. Be cognizant of the time. 12:23. Waiting for that 12:25. Let go. 12:30. You're going to hit my line. Why? Because I believe in what I do. I believe in the things that I practice. And that's what it's all about. These are looking pretty good on the 15. Okay. This is looking pretty good. On the 5 minute. Getting a little scary, but I need that push. Ooh. Okay, not the 5 trying to drop a little bit. You better stop. Trying to cross up. Yeah. Oh, nah. Let me take my money and walk away. 3, 5, 4. What I got on there? 11. Yeah, I'm horrible. Y'all look out for babies and fools, don't he? Oh, Lord. See? Oh, Lord. Every time we try to showing out, don't I? Oh, no. I be showing out too bad. Oh, no. How bad I'm going to show out today? Give it to me. I just want a little push. Give me the push. Come on. Give it to me. That's what we talking about. Give it to me. Don't you dare drop on me. Oh, wait. Okay. If you go down to the one, oh, I'm sick. Jesus, I'm sick. God, I'm sick. Oh well. When you be greedy, that's what happens. Listen, but this is the real deal, right? I just gave you the real deal of what I go through every day when I'm trading. Every day. This is what I experience. That greedy crap ain't gonna get you nowhere. But you know what? It ain't done. It's going back up. It's going back up to the darn trend line. Okay? It's going to do is pull back. But you know what? I got me a little profit out of it. I got something to do. I know it's going back up. But do I want to wait another 30 minutes on a Friday? On a Friday? For it to go back up? And I tell you, baby, I can't do this. Why can't I get off this chart? Yeah, I love this stuff. I ain't gonna even lie. I ain't gonna front, baby. I'm like an addict to these charts, for real. I have a lot of passion. Even if I didn't make money off of it, right? It's just that your personality, I need challenges every day. Not bad ones. One that makes me better and sharper. And I feel like this definitely does the job for me. So, I just like what it has to offer. So, I love trading. I was really trying to hang in here to see if it tapped that trend line, at least to 1230. Excuse me. We all know pullback's gonna happen. That's why I went on and took it. Nothing just goes straight up all the time. Okay. How massive will this pullback be? This when I start marking lines. Now, we'll see if it dropped beneath that. And if it drops beneath that, potentially you have a sell back to the next rejected level. Or it may just linger on this line for 2 minutes and then turn around and hit my trend line. All right, almost 12:30. I mean, look, guys, they aren't close to the center of Bollinger Band. The 5 minute is, but that can still just go. Let's look at the 1. Okay, we're still sitting on that rejected level. Rejected level to rejected level to reject concept. You gonna ride on this rejected line and then head back up to the trend line, or you gonna go down? What we doing? Wait for it. I want y'all. You know what? I might go for it and just go in a $1,000 loss. If I, man, fuck it. Fuck it. Oh, I ain't mean to cuss. I'm sorry. My bad. Let me get it. 3, 5, 4, 10. We'll go with 10. Last time I went with 11. I forgot I was recording for a second. Got me around here cussing. This is what Forex do to you, or trading. Make you a little bit cuckoo for pips. 2 for pips, cuckoo for pips. Yes, sir. Let's go. Come on. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Bad pips, bad pips. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when I come for you? Come on. I can't. Why do I do this to myself all the time, man? I swear. Come on, baby. Give me the push that I've been waiting for like 30 minutes. I swear. Come on. As people know that trade with me, we got the disrespect. What does that mean? Disrespect means that we're still on that journey. When that happens, probably still go, and then it comes back and turn around. You gotta watch the other videos to understand what I'm talking about right now. That's another reason why I'm kind of confident that we're still going. What y'all gonna get me right at 12.35 or something? Get me right. Phone on 12%. I don't have time for this. I got somewhere to be and everything. I know I ain't gotta trade, but I am trading. Oh gosh, look at this squeeze. What did I do to myself? Lord have mercy. All right. Give me a little profit. I'm out of here. Come on. Give it to me. Give me a push to the upside, not to the downside. Let's go. Come on. Looking ugly. I don't know if y'all can hear my stomach right now, but I was starved for these pips. I'm joking. Just give me my little profit and let me go now. Let me go on about my business. Let me mosey on out. I mean, in profit, let me mosey out. When you start to get stressed on that 1 and 5 minute time frame, you know what you can do? Go to the 15, the 30, the 1 hour, That's what you can do. It looks less noisy. That's what I'm looking at. Let's go. All that there with the price, it don't bother me. Not at all, actually. Just a fake out. Definitely looking for price to go ahead and turn around and head north. Ooh. Now, didn't I just go against every rule that I just told y'all about? That's another reason for this video. Don't do that, because I could have scalped that real quick. Anywho, don't worry about it. Our moving averages are still headed up. That's just a slight pullback. I love to make a point too, guys. I love a challenge. It'd have been too easy to do that. Dang, my stomach is going off. Who is you mad at, baby? I'ma feed you. You already know this. As soon as I get in profit, get to where I want to be, I'm going fishing. That's what I'm doing. Before it gets too cold. Let's go. It's all about being confident in what you know you practice. I don't think I'm smarter than anybody, these charts and nothing like that. But if I follow my plan, I'm straight. Follow the things that I practice, I'm straight. You will be straight. Period. Come on, bust through it. Bust it. Bust it. Y'all know that challenge? Let's bust these pips open. Let's go. $12.37. Give me a hard push. I want about 500 at the least. I would like that, Mr. Charts. Come on. Come on. Stop playing with the kid. Y'all gonna shoot right through that at 12:40, or you gonna do it beforehand? You gonna do a pullback right now and then go for it? Like, let me know something. How many of y'all talk to the charts? I swear, they're like my best friend or something, man. We get into it. It's all love, though. What I do notice is that on a 15-minute time frame, we safe, y'all. We still sitting up underneath that 125 moving average. This is a short-term moving average for me to show me the trend or whatever. Typically they have the 200, but I decided to do the 100 on my 125 on my chart. All right, come on. Give me that push that I've been so kindly, so gently asking about all day. Come on. That's all I wanted was a little love. Okay, merge. Moving averages. RSI on top of the 53. think that's 200 or 20 headed north. Give it to me. Give me that push that I want. Give it to me. Give it to me. I'm too greedy for my own good, boy. I swear. I swear. Yo, I sound crazy as heck. It's cool. Anything for these pips, though. Give me the push, baby. Give me the push. Give it to me. Give it to me. We back at 266. Y'all stop playing with me. Okay. I said I wanted what? 500. I said I wanted 5. Give me the push. There we. You know what? I ain't gonna even say it. There. Baby. That's what I'm talking. Babe. Boy. Boy. Oh, snap. Come on. See, I was trying to close it out. I'll take that. I'll take that. That's all I wanted was a little bit of push. And I know it's still going to go up there and tap it. It got to. It may tap it briefly. Ooh. I would feel comfortable getting out right there. But it's going to tap it. It's going to tap it. Let's see if it taps it. I bet I ain't getting no other trade right now. Ooh, come on. Yes, sir. Listen, I'm not waiting 3 minutes for it to tap it. I'm pissed off. I'm pissed. I'm freaking pissed. Go on up there and tap it, man. Just go ahead. I'm pissed off, though. I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna be real. Keep it 100. Come on. 2 minutes and almost 30 seconds left. I know you're gonna tap it. Stop playing. Get up there and tap it like you're supposed to. Let these folks believe in this TuReject, man. Come on. See, if I go down to the 1 minute, y'all gonna freak out. Oh my God, it's reversing right now. It ain't. Go tap it. Two minutes left now. 2 minutes left. Go tap it. Get up there. Go on. I would say overall today's a good trading day though. Like real talk. Confidence booster. Right there. The green ain't even got up there yet. He gotta go meet his brothers. It's gonna get up there and it's gonna tap. But I ain't putting in no trade, baby. I ain't putting in no trade. Let's go. That ain't tapping. I want you to actually tap the line. Because I've been waiting on this. I can't believe I hopped out of that trade. Premature. For everybody don't know, I typically do about 2 to 10 pips. Target. However, in this case, I knew where price was getting ready to go. Based off of the trend line that I had set. We still got 1 minute and 30 seconds left, fam. Tap it. Tap the mother freaking line right now. No, not right now. a minute and 15 seconds. Tap it. Well, you got a minute and 15. A minute and 10. Listen, if y'all want to go ahead and skedaddle out of the video, go ahead. This is for me. Tap it, please. Tap, tap, tap. Tap it, and I'll be done with you. I swear. Can we go ahead and consider this a tap? Yeah, guys, this is really close. You know? I mean, I still think that it's gonna actually hit that thing. Go ahead and tap it. Just playing around. Okay, there we go. I would call that tapped, baby. Hashtag tapped. Haha. Let's go. 12K day. What is it? 12K? No, 7K? 7. Missed the 7. Bam. Now I gotta write that again. Alright. Thank you guys for tapping in. Tap. Thank you guys for tapping in. Please subscribe, comment, like, share, talk about it with your friends. Holla about the TuReject concept, TuPar, BBKOF. Let's get this money, guys. Hit me up. I have a Telegram. I'll put that in the description. If you have any questions, need any help, let me know. All right.